Check out the student pilot traffic jam at Daytona Beach International Airport. Unfortunately, what happens is a lot of times many students will decide to go flying at the same time. Maybe they're only using one runway, and you end up kind of waiting for sometimes over an hour just taxiing, waiting to take off, and what happens is the student may only have an hour or two time slot, and they have to just cancel, and after sitting there paying for burning fuel, they have to go back.
Red 412, turn left heading 030.
93% power.
Left heading 030.
Because this gun.
The top power, Red 433, reactor 416, one text back to the ramp.
Red 433, I also have your request.
It's all like Embry-Riddle students and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what all this is. Get pictures of this, Dad. Dang, look at this. Everywhere.
Taxi down via runway 16, turn left at Echo 3.
The hell's the noise in the background?
Yeah, I know.
433, taxi 16, Echo 3 will contact ground on. Thank you.
Watching a football game or something?
Hold in short 16, just like everybody else, leaves back to Riddle.
Riddle 437, Daytona Beach, I have your request. Riddle 470, turn left, heading 030.
Riddle 470, left, heading 030.
Riddle 470, contact departure, good day.
Riddle 470, contact departure, thanks.
I wonder why they're all,
Riddle 422 at Echo 416, taxiing back to Riddle.
they're all going back.
Riddle 422, Daytona Beach, Sarah.
Daytona Tower, Roger 455 at 186 at Echo, ready for departure.
Riddle 437, left at November, taxi straight ahead to the ramp, remain on this frequency.
437, left November, taxi straight ahead to the ramp, this frequency.
The problem with. So.
Daytona Tower, Roger 455, for show at 116 at Echo, ready for departure.
Riddle 455, Daytona Beach, Sarah, Roger. Riddle 422, taxi via runway 16, left turn on Echo 3, then contact ground point 9.
Riddle 422, taxi via 16, left on Echo 2, over to ground point 9, thanks.
Echo 3, sir, turn left at Echo 3.
Riddle 422, left at Echo 3.
Riddle 406, turn left at November, taxi straight ahead to the ramp, remain on this frequency.
Okay, left on November, we'll taxi ahead to the ramp, Riddle 406.
5, runway 16, left and wait. Traffic is an arrow on a 3-mile final.
Walked.
Riddle 465, runway 16, left and wait. Traffic arrow on a 3-mile final.
65, runway 16, left and wait. Daytona Tower, 650 Foxtrot Tango, R916.
650 Foxtrot Tango, Daytona Beach Tower, runway 16, continue traffic, holding in position.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Also, check out ultratechlife.com for more cool science and tech stuff.